Hi everyone, welcome to Kimia Wellness. My name is Mark Franco and I'm a licensed acupuncturist and I've been practicing Chinese medicine for over 20 years. Today we're going to talk about pain. Pain from injuries, pain from playing sports, pain from fatigue, things of that nature. Pain just from age, because that does happen as well. So pain in Chinese medicine, you'll hear the term qi stagnation or blood stagnation, depending if it's dealing with just basic pain or if there's trauma involved. When you're dealing with things like this, a lot of mobility issues, they become impinged. So within Chinese medicine, there's a lot of exercise that you can do and things like that. But there's also with acupuncture and how it affects the sinews and the muscles and things like that, and helps to relax them, to ease those pains and increase blood supply and obviously oxygen supply into those areas to help the healing factors. A lot of times you'll also experience, like for example, neck pain or low back pain. Acupuncture works very well for those types of things. It's important to have good flexibility, increased range of motion, and doing small rotation. For example, with your neck, you can just do small rotations just to kind of help open up those areas. Again, keeping the shoulders and rolled back, so that way you have good posture and correcting the posture. Within the back, again, you can do the hip twists and kind of just rotate the hips a little bit, just kind of open up those joints. Flexibility in both the front muscles, for example, the quadriceps, so stretching the quadriceps or stretching the hamstrings and also the hip flexors. A real easy one, especially if you do a lot of driving, is just to put your leg like this and then go ahead and just stretch forward, so you get that stretch out here in the hip flexors and the gluteal area. Really important, especially if you have like a pain that kind of tends to radiate from the low back into the hip and maybe even into the upper thigh. Just stretching that out and holding that for about a good minute and breathing deep will be very beneficial, and you can do it on both sides. Obviously here at Kimia Wellness, we also have therapists that can also help strengthen some of your core muscles and things like that, and we'll do that in conjunction with acupuncture and Chinese medicine. Another issue will be with knees, things like that. What's important with knees, and if you have injuries, of course, if it's sharp pain or anything like that, you want to be real careful. But if, as a basic, you can just go ahead and warm the knees by rubbing briskly and then just holding it and letting the knees and getting those knees to warm, as well as doing knee rotations. That will help to really get the joint mobile. But don't do it if it's sharp pain. Don't stay away from that. As we age, we start having these types of problems like low back pain and knee pain. In Chinese medicine, as that aging process, they call that kidney decline, the decline in kidney qi. So a lot of herbs that will supplement, as well as acupuncture, local acupuncture, and things of that nature. Those types of things can also affect libido. It can affect soreness in the legs. You can even get edema where you have fluid accumulation in the legs. Acupuncture works great, as well as Chinese medicine and things like that. So there are a lot of things that incorporates within pain and Chinese medicine, how it treats it. And these are some just real basic things and common things that you tend to see as in life. So if you have any issues like this, please don't hesitate to reach out to us here at Kimia Wellness. Thank you very much for your time, and we really look forward to seeing you.